guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we have the brand new M4 Mac Mini. This little guy is an absolute powerhouse and it's built for Apple Intelligence. So I got the M4 Mac Mini with 16 gigabytes of memory and 256 gigabytes of SSD. I also got my hands on all of the new USB-C Magic accessories, and I have my 27-inch 5K studio display behind me, so I'm really excited to get unboxing and show you guys what's new. Let's get into it. So I have been using the M2 Mac Mini. Let's unplug it and put in my new M4. Honestly, look at how crazy the size difference is. That's insane. I'm sorry. I'm shutting you off. So I just set everything up. Look at how clean my desk setup is. I mean, tiny. This is so tiny. I love that we have USB-Cs right here, headphone jack. On the back, we have Ethernet, HDMI, and 3 Thunderbolt ports right there. We got our Touch ID Magic Keyboard, mouse, and trackpad. Obsessed. I feel like the size difference between my M2 and my M4 is absolutely insane, and it just makes my desk look that much cleaner and sleeker. So we know that the M4 Mac Mini is built for Apple Intelligence. It's smaller and mightier. Let's first talk about some physical changes. As you guys can see, we finally have front-facing ports for more convenient access. We have 2 USB-Cs and a headphone jack. On the back, we have 3 Thunderbolt ports, an HDMI, and Ethernet. And for the first time ever, the M4 Pro model has a Thunderbolt 5 for faster data transfer speeds. There's also a whole new thermal architecture, so it won't heat up on your desk. I love that it's so small and compact. It is a little bit taller than the previous generation, but because it's so small, literally smaller than the palm of my hand, I don't think that little bit of height matters. We do have the power button on the bottom. Let me know down in the comments how you guys feel about that. So the M4 Mac Mini is absolutely packed. We have a 10-core GPU, 10-core CPU, and a faster neural engine. And for the M4 Pro, you get 64 gigabytes of memory, up to 14 CPU cores, and 20 GPU cores. The M4 Mac Mini makes everyday productivity, like switching between apps, super fluid and seamless. We're also gonna have way faster photo editing, gaming, and AI integration with Apple Intelligence. I'm excited to try some of the Apple Intelligence features on this with you guys to see how quick and snappy it is. So let's test that out. So the first thing I want to test out is the writing tools. I have my website here. All you do is scroll over, right click on writing tools, show writing tools, and here are options. So we have friendly, professional, concise, summary, key points, table, list. Let's do summary. Within 2 seconds, we have a full summary. Let's see what Apple Intelligence is in Mail. So it prioritizes messages, gives you summaries, and even smart replies. Let's test it out. We can do friendly, professional, concise, like whatever you want to write. So you can scroll over something. You see the Apple Intelligence tool right here. You can make it more friendly. Let's do that. It changed it to, they're doing great. I really appreciate the proofreading feature. Like, it definitely sounds more friendly. This is also useful in notes. I like to write a lot of random brain dumps in here. So just go over like this, key points. So now it put everything into key points for me of everything I talked about. If I'm like scripting something or even like doing homework, jotting down notes, here are my key points of everything I wrote. Really awesome if you're just trying to transcribe things that you wrote down. And you can also do this with like voice memos. So a reason this could be really useful is say you're in like a lecture in university. Let's do a fake recording. Hey guys, today we're gonna talk about Apple Intelligence, my favorite features. Also gives me a preview of everything that I talked about. Apple Intelligence, iPhone mirroring, proofreading, and new iMac features discussed. Like, that is so cool and super, super useful. So you can also now type to talk to you know who. You can actually ask her for like help with your devices. So I asked her how I screen record and she told me everything you need to know. Really cool that she has product knowledge. So soon ChatGPT will be integrated into Siri. So I feel like that's gonna just take her to the next level. I'm always using ChatGPT as like my Google search, honestly. So having Siri as ChatGPT, that's gonna be awesome. So the M4 chip is supposed to be blazing fast. Also, this thing is completely silent. I haven't heard a peep. Let's open up every single app down here and see how quick this bad boy really is. Oh my goodness, why is this so insanely fast? That was pretty crazy, I'm not gonna lie. So there's tons more Apple Intelligence features. This is what we got right now, but I'm gonna be testing them out a lot more and doing a full in-depth review for you guys to tell you how I like it and if I find it useful. I also wanna try some light gaming, so let's head over and do that. As expected, gaming looks great on it, super smooth, graphics look awesome. I'm personally using this to do all my photo and video editing, so I'm excited to put it to the test and see how smooth the performance really is. So in photos, if you click on this little magic thing and edit, click on clean up, and I wanna clean up, get rid of the car. Will it work? Let's see. Whoa, that actually did a pretty good job. A little warpy here, but like I could work with that. Here's this photo, edit, clean up. Let's get rid of this. Let's see if it can do that. Okay, what? That was so fast. Let's get rid of the lights too. Let's see if it does that. All the lights. Apple Intelligence. Okay, let's see. A little wonky, but I mean, let's try a little bit more. Okay, I'm sure if I just like play around, I can get rid of that. That's not bad. No more need for external apps. You can do everything right from your Photos app. Thank you, Apple. This is so good. Time for the real test. Let's open up Final Cut. Okay, guys, this is pretty crazy. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 layers of 4K footage. There is not a lag, not a stutter at all. What? I'm just going to export a 5-minute long video clip. Let's see how long it takes. Okay, 2 minutes and 13 seconds. That is so fast. I guess I'm gonna be posting a lot more YouTube videos, so make sure to subscribe to stay tuned because this thing is wicked fast. It can support 2 6K displays and the M4 Pro can support 3 6K displays. So if you're doing some hardcore editing and need multiple displays, you might wanna check out the M4 Mac Mini. I'll definitely be posting more videos after a month and 6 months of using this M4 to see if it's worth the money, and right now I'm really happy and honestly excited to edit on it because of how quick it is. I'm pretty happy. Apple has designed this for real work and smooth performance. Whether you're a student, you need a home office setup, or you're a professional, this might be the good choice for you. What's also really cool about this product that you might not know is that it is the first carbon neutral Mac. So Apple has a 2030 goal of making all their products carbon neutral. We already know we have the Apple Watch as the first carbon neutral product, but now the Mac Mini is the second carbon neutral product, so that's pretty cool. So the base model starts at $599, which I think is a great price for everything that you're getting, and the M4 Pro goes to $1399. So I also got my hands on the new M4 Pink iMac and the M4 MacBook Pro. So if you guys want to watch those videos, make sure to hit subscribe so you guys can be the first to watch. If there's anything else you guys want me to test out, leave it in the comments below. As always, I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day, and I'll see you soon. Bye!